Welcome to Group 20 and ASU's Writers Studio. My name is Tammy G, and I will be your instructor for this course. You are welcome to call me Tammy or Miss G, either is fine. I've been working in education for a long time, different roles. I worked with students from kindergarten through 12th grade, different types of post-secondary settings, trade schools, community colleges, universities, and also trained adults in teaching and business positions to be more effective at their work. I have master's degrees in English and educational leadership, and I have lots of hobbies to keep me busy when I'm not working with you fine folks. I think our course is really exciting because we build in choices so that, within some pretty broad parameters, you can choose topics that are interesting to you. We engage in authentic practice, and so we're not focusing on writing academic essays. We're focusing on writing that is geared towards specific audiences and contexts. And so we're not, for example, writing about, that roundabouts are dangerous, but we're writing that a particular roundabout is troublesome in a particular neighborhood and writing perhaps a letter to community leaders encouraging them to do something about that dangerous roundabout. Our course is contemporary. We're not focused only on things that are communicated in words on paper. We also pull in videos, images, layered links, and different sorts of compositions. We'll emphasize your role as a writer and a decider, and we will be supporting you in that with feedback and questions and general guidance to help you think more deeply about how you're writing and how effective it is and other ways that we could make it even more effective. Our course is technology based, and we don't accept technology problems as a valid reason for late work. If you're having technical problems, you need to immediately reach out to Digication support or Blackboard support and get the help that you need to solve your problem. You can let me know when you have a ticket from them, but I am not your technology resource. I'm an English teacher. So contact tech support for tech problems immediately. Because our course is only 7.5 weeks long, we don't have time for late work. We only allow late submission of 2 assignments with a minor penalty. Those are the final drafts of projects 1 and 2. Everything else must be submitted on time to earn points. I'll still give you feedback, answer your questions, help you make decisions, but I won't be giving credit for late work. Our assignments build from one to the other, so that we're kind of like walking up a staircase in building detailed, complex, meaningful, supported, well thought out arguments, and we work on those in steps. And so it doesn't make sense to go back in time and try to make up steps. So we don't do that. We will prepare a digital portfolio. You will start working on this right away to prepare the frame of the portfolio using the template. Please click on the link in the assignment so that you choose the correct template. You won't fill out all of the sections of the template today, like we will worry about populating the project 1 and 2 later. So just leave that empty frame there and concentrate on filling in your home page, your About Me page, and writing your pre-course reflection. We evaluate the portfolio as we do other pieces of writing. We're looking for clear claims about you, evidence to support those claims, and detailed explanations that will help us understand your thinking. If you have questions, you can email me anytime. I'm usually pretty quick to respond. I'm here to help you. I want to help you, so don't be afraid or think that you're bothering me, because you are absolutely not. Before we close, I want to take just a moment to show you the course calendar and to emphasize its importance. So the course calendar is right here. The course calendar lists everything that's due in the course. So I recommend printing this out, saving it to your phone, saving it to your computer. I'm a little bit old school, so I put all of these deadlines in my paper planner so that I can always double check what my workload is before I commit to outside plans. Additionally, be sure that you're clicking on the link for each week, and that will give you the assignments that are due for the week. Make sure when you fill out the syllabus acknowledgement that you copy both of these statements, not just one or the other, and customize that to turn it in. Then we have directions for helping get started on your portfolio. Again, if you have questions, please reach out with those, and I'm looking forward to getting to know each one of you as we get started.